two ways to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. So if you want to turn on vanish mode on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you just need to simply go with your messages, which is on the upper right, and choose a person's chat in which you would like to turn on the vanish mode. And once you've chosen, now you just need to simply go with the profile of that person, which is on the upper side. Tap on profile, and from here you need to go with privacy and safety option. Under privacy and safety, you will have vanish mode, right? So you just need to simply toggle it on, and if you go back, then you can see that you've turned on your vanish mode, and you can again turn it off by going to the privacy and safety and turn it off. So this is one way, right? The next way to turn on the vanish mode is just simply swipe up to turn on the vanish mode, and again swipe up to turn it off. So that's how you can turn on your vanish mode on your Instagram by two ways, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.